everybody, it's Carol. Today in my art room, I'm going to do a swipe on this heart. Someone made these for me out of just some plywood. So yes, I'm going to do another swipe, maybe a swirl. So come and see how I do it. Hi everybody. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna do my swipe. Spread my paint out. Okay. I have some nice blues. Let's see if I can. This is light blue permanent by I think that's Artist Loft. No, it's Basics and it's opaque, so I'm going to put it on the bottom. And then I've got, which way did I do this? Blue, red. Okay, then I have I did red next. Carmine Red by Amsterdam. There's my consistency. You can lay it down whatever way you think is good. I don't use red very often, but I'm starting to use it more. Okay, and this is a metallic Deco Art Sapphire Extreme Sheen. It's really a pretty color. All right, now this is a light blue. This is a, oh, there's my lid. Color Shift Blue Flash. Changes color a little bit. It has a purplish tinge to it. Whoopsie whoops. I'm really putting a lot of paint down today. And I am going to put some gold. I wasn't going to, but let's put a little bit of gold in here. It's always nice when you add gold. I like adding gold to my paintings sometimes. used to always add gold to everything, but not as much anymore, but today I am. And this is a red flash. It's a color shift, red flash. Gee, I didn't mean to make it this wide. Oh well. Could have done a bigger, a little narrower would have been good, but oh well. I'm going to use a black cell activator. All right. Two sizes. I'll use this one first. Just gonna go halfway. I'm gonna pull some of the black. Ooh, look at the napkin. Ooh, that's so pretty. I think, you know what, I think I might just keep with this size. 1, 2. I'll leave a little space in between. I was going to leave a bit more space than that, and I didn't. Okay. I'm almost out of my Australian Floetrol. I ordered some, and it's going to probably take forever to get here, but at least it's on its way. Whoa, colors are gorgeous. I'm not putting a lot. Well, it's not really, I don't have to go too far, so. guess I can use my little one on the end. I have 3 different sizes. Came in a pack of 3 like this at the dollar store. That's very pretty. I love this technique. Okay, find my skewer. I'm going to poke some of these white bubbles. I just poke them like that and they go away. It's good to poke them before you spin. I don't think I'll be spinning too much. Okay, that's probably enough. I think that's enough. Oh, I got a big white line there. Oh. Just want to pull that down a bit. Just take your finger and it'll go over. I like it to go over the sides a little bit. Oh, look at this coming off. That's pretty good now. That's good enough. The middle doesn't look too bad, but I still think I want to do my swirls. There. Ta-da! It's done. Beautiful. I'm going to see if I can get my husband to make me some hearts. We'll see. Well, we're kind of busy right now, so maybe in the fall he can. There. sides are covered. Pretty good. There you go. Thanks for watching this one. The gorgeous colors. Have a good day, everybody. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for notifications so you'll get notified when I do a new video. And like if you like it. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And have a good day. Give it a try. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried heart. Well, it's 95% dry. The middle's still wet. But it's drying really good. This is all dry up here and down here. Middle's still tacky, so I'm not going to touch that. But look how pretty those colors are, and look how nice it's drying. Perfect. It didn't move at all. There you go. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.